Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create your own meme coin just on Solana blockchain just in 1 minute. I'm gonna make it on callsol.host because the cheaper commission here and it's so fast. So you're just gonna need your Phantom wallet with something around 0.2 Solana on your wallet just to pay the service fee. So let's see what we have here, guys. Let's begin. So first of all, we just need to put the token name, let it be just Nasser coin. I think you know this meme right now, it's very popular. The next is token symbol. Usually it's just 3 letters, let it be just ANR, alright. Next is decimals, we don't touch that. And look at this, initial supply, it's how many tokens you're gonna have. The default is 1 billion, so you just put a couple more zeros here and it's gonna be all right. Next one is the project website. If you're gonna have it, you just put it here, so you can write in the description wherever you want just to describe your own coin. So the next one is the token image. Let's choose one. All right, let it be like that. And look at this, guys, there's 2 important fields here, like revoke main authority and revoke freeze authority. I don't recommend to turn it off because it's about a trust to your coin. If you want to sell it later or if you want to see it on market like Pump Fund, Radium, you just don't touch these fields. I highly recommend it, guys. So that's all. You just need to connect your Phantom wallet here. And now it's just about time to create the token, guys. Here we go. Let's tap on that. Here's some procession going. Here you can see that you just need to confirm that you're creating token with your network fee. So that's all, guys. Token was created and you can see that you're gonna have it just on your Phantom wallet, mates. Also, you can tap on view token and you'll see it just on Solana Explorer that your token was created. So that's all, mates. That's all. We just created Solana token, your own meme token, less than in 1 minute, I think. So you have your token on your wallet. So next one, guys, if you want to see your token on spot like Pump Fund or Radium, you have to create liquidity. You can see the button here. It goes to the Radium. You can make it by your own if you know how to do this. If you're interested how to make your coin tradable on Pump Fund or Radium, I'll show you in the next video, guys. So I'll see you later, mates. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more. I'll see you later.